Okay, here I have a hot skillet. I have it over medium heat, not too high. I'm gonna take the 4 chile jalapenos that I have, and we're gonna roast them slowly. You hear the popping already? See how they start to char right away? You don't want them to burn. You just want them to get the skin pretty charred. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay guys, I've turned off the stove, and this is what the chiles look like. Okay. So I'm going to pop you back over to the other side, and we're going to get the sauce going. To start the salsa, what we are going to use is a 1/2 cup of sour cream, a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, 2 limes, 4 jalapeno peppers or serrano peppers, whatever your preference, 1 cup of cilantro leaves, and some kosher salt. And we are going to do this in the food processor. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to put our cilantro leaves in here, and then we're going to put our mayonnaise, our sour cream, our 4 serrano chiles, jalapeno chiles, 1 teaspoon of kosher salt, and the juice of 2 limes. Okay, I am going to start to puree this, and I'm going to let it run for probably a whole minute, minute and a half. Okay, I'm going to check it. We're going to make sure that everything is down towards the bottom to make sure that it gets a perfect mix. It smells delicious. Okay, let it go for another minute. Okay guys, I let this go for at least 3 minutes. Okay, that's the whole thing. You got to let it get real nice and pureed. See how nice and creamy that looks? And I'm going to taste it for, needs a little tiny bit more salt. So I'm going to give it a little bit of salt, 1/2 teaspoon more of salt, and I'll just mix it up here. And that's it, we're done. Okay, let's pour it into a container. Okay guys, here it is. It is so creamy. I did taste it, and it's pretty spicy. And if you don't like it that spicy, or your family doesn't like it that spicy, just take off a couple of chile serranos, or don't put any at all. But this is this is my recipe for roasted chili, cilantro, and lime taco sauce. I hope you give it a try, and if you like it, come back and let us know what you think, and give us a big old thumbs up. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos. Please go subscribe to my YouTube channel at Virtual Kitchen with Laura. Talk to y'all later. Bye.